in Bangalore and now we're leaving. Near Coorg now, half the way is done and now we are heading for chai. It's very windy. Chai is done now. Now we're gonna hit the road again. Traveling for about 6 hours. We are finally here in Coorg and this is the place we're staying in. It's really very beautiful. Now we're going for our lunch, I don't know where, and then we'll go to Iruppu Falls. This is the local fish meal and all-time favorite chicken biryani. Finally reached. We have only 10 minutes because it's going to close soon. We are really close now. People are playing in water. I so badly want to go in the water, but I cannot because they're already late. Because of Mr. Vivek Das! We're all set for Dubai Elephant Camp. We're leaving now. Still are on our way to Dubai camp. I don't want to go back home. We're finally here in Dubai Elephant Camp, but guess what? We came really late. So we cannot go in that boat and see the elephants. So this is the Golden Temple of Coorg. It's also called the Namjoling Monastery. Let's go inside. And today is my luckiest day. Seriously, see this. Suddenly it started raining. See my helmet. Stopped here and we're having tea. Now we are going back to Bangalore. Honestly, it didn't feel like I traveled for more than 750 kilometers in total. But if you ever plan a trip like this to Coorg, then I would suggest you to take at least 2 nights because it was not enough for us. Thank you for being with me in this journey as well. I hope you liked the video. See you until next time.